I just said to my mom, I said, having that surgery was the best thing I ever did. I have had a small to moderate sized hiatal hernia for years, probably for 25 years. Dr. Pena came in after the exam and said, "Oh my, you have a huge hiatal hernia." And I said, "Thank you, I know." Literally, my stomach was almost entirely up in my chest cavity. I woke up in the middle of the night out of a dead sleep, feeling like I couldn't breathe. Ended up in the emergency room, had a follow-up appointment with Dr. Ahad the next week. I loved it that everybody that was going to be working on the team came in and introduced themselves to me. Loved my stay at Mercy. Loved the prayer. Loved the support of the staff. I have felt absolutely the best I have felt in years. I used to, I would have trouble sleeping. I have no trouble sleeping anymore. I'm not irritable, which I never used to be irritable, but I knew it was getting harder and harder to put on my happy face for people just because I just didn't feel good. And it's not like being sick with a cold or the flu. There's just something that didn't feel good. The Mercy Touch means to me that they provide holistic care to their patients. I felt everyone cared about me sincerely. They cared about my outcome. They wanted success for them and for me.